Have you ever wondered about the true complexities of AI-based businesses? The misconception arises in thinking that all AI businesses are income-generating businesses. The true value lies solely in AI training systems. The value is in the usable data input used to train neural networks, the manufacturing process, the computation infrastructure production, and to output AI programs. After this AI program has been created, AI-based businesses can pay for access and easily integrate this program into various usable applications. Many of us without knowledge of neural systems and the mechanics of AI programs mistakenly believe AI to be overwhelmingly complex. However, the complexity lies primarily in the manufacturing of AI programs. Once the system has been trained, these AI programs can be applied to numerous applications, and the price to access this program is economical. It is very important to have a clear understanding of the mechanical and practical operations before making investment decisions. I hope this video gives you a better understanding of the buzzword AI. If you find content useful, please subscribe and share. Thanks for watching the video and subscribing to the channel.